War weariness. By 195-16, as the war continued, protests began with around 500 people but increased to 10,000 wanting an end to the war. Russian Revolution. In 1917, a communist revolution led to the Kaiser's cousin, Tsar Nicholas, being overthrown. Political instability. By 1918, Germans were fed up with the war. Many blamed the Kaiser and his government for the hardships they suffered, causing political unrest. Losing. By 1918, the German generals believed they could not win the war. General Ludendorff advised the Kaiser to make the country more democratic so they would be treated less harshly by the victors. Democratic measures. The Kaiser gave the Reichstag some of his powers and allowed the main political parties to form a new government, but protests continued. Mutiny. On October 28, 1918, the German Navy refused to follow orders and go to sea. Workers' councils. Soldiers sent to deal with the mutiny joined the sailors, as did workers. Within 6 days, the workers were ruling towns and cities all over Germany. Abdication. On November 9, the Kaiser gave up his throne and left Germany, taking all of his wealth with him. Friedrich Ebert was the leader of the SPD, the largest party. He formed a government which promised to hold elections and end the war. Naval Blockade. The British Navy had blockaded the German ports, preventing food from getting in. The Germans were starving. The Armistice. On November 11, 1918, the war ended when the Germans surrendered. November criminals. Many Germans refused to believe that they had been defeated, as the Allied armies had not marched through Berlin. They blamed the new government for surrendering unnecessarily.